Yes. So in this video, we are going to solve the problem. Check if the number is balanced. First, I will recommend you to read the problem, try to find the solution, and then I will tell you how to solve this. Okay. I hope you have read the problem. Uh, After reading problem, you may feel that this problem is little bit easy because you have to just sum all the digits to the left of the middle digit and you have to sum all the digits to the right of the middle digit and you have to check whether these both sums are equal or not. But as I've already mentioned that I am creating this playlist completely for a beginner. So as a beginner you may face difficulty while writing the code of this problem, while writing the solution code of for this problem. Difficulties in the sense like just like here in the input we have a string and in the question it is mentioned that we have to sum all the digits. Okay, so in the string you will have a characters, right? And it is mentioned that you have to sum all the digits. So how to convert this character into digit? So this kind of problem the beginner can face. Okay, so okay, so first I will explain you what is the what is given in the question, and then I will explain you the solution of it. Okay, so now yeah, so let's take example number one. Just like we have an input 1234006. Okay, first I will select the pane. Yeah, in the input, one string is given, just like 1234006. This first I will erase it because yeah, 1234006. So this is one string. It is given in the input, right? Let's give it indexing. This is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So now what we need to do, we have to sum all the digits which are to the left of the middle digit. Just like here, 4 is the middle digit. Okay. And what are the digits to the left of the 4? It is 1, 2, and 3. Right. And what is the sum of 1, 2, and 3? It is 6. I hope you got the concept right. And to the right hand side of 4, that is to the right hand side of the middle digit, we have 006. And what is the sum of 0, and 6? It is 6. Now this 6 and this 6 are equal. It means that the sum of all the digits to the left of the middle digit is equal to the sum of all the digits to the right hand side of the middle digit, right? If this condition satisfied, then we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. That's it. That is given in the question. Okay. So now how to write the solution code for this? And more than that, how to approach toward the problem. Okay. So I hope you got what is given in the question, right? It is not so that much difficult, right? So now first I will erase this. Okay. You may skip this. Okay. Question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 6. Right. Now, first of all, let me give the index thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. First of all, we have to find which is the middle element. Okay, the middle element is this 4, and this 4 is at index number 3. Okay. Now, what is the size of this string? The size of this string is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So if I divide 7 by 2, I got 3.5. Okay, which I will consider like a 3 if I am storing it in a int. Okay, so it means that when we divide size by 2, we got the index of a middle element. Okay, just like here we divide the size of the string which was 7 by 2 and we get 3, and at index number 3 we have our middle element. Okay, so when we divide the size by 2, we get the index of our middle element, right? So I hope you got this. Okay. So yeah, now we have the index of our middle element, that is 3, right? Yeah. So now what will be the next step? Let me erase this. Okay. So what we will do, we will take two variables, right? First will be sum1 and next will be sum2. Okay. So just like I will take, okay, yeah, I will take sum1 and I will take sum2. This sum1 will hold the sum of all the digits, will hold the sum of all the digits to the left hand side of the middle digit, and this sum2 will hold the sum of all the digits to the right hand side of the middle digit. Okay. So now what we will do, we will we will use two loops. First loop we will traverse from 1 to 3, and second loop we will traverse from 0 to 6, and while traversing we will sum all the digits, okay, and we will store it in s1 and s2 respectively. I hope you got the approach, right? So what we will do, we will first start our first loop from okay, let me change the pen. We will traverse our first loop from index 0 to index 2. Okay, it means that we will first traverse our element of 1, then 2, then 3, and while traversing we will add this element, right? And our second loop will traverse from index 4 to index 6. Okay, and while traversing the elements from index 4 to 6, we will sum all the digits, and we will store that sum into S2. I hope you got the concept. Okay, after traversing this, sum 1 will hold 6 and sum 2 will also hold 6, and we will check whether our S1 is equal to S2 or not. What is the challenging task while solving the problem is that this is a string. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 6 are not the digits, they are the characters. But we have to sum the digits. How to do it? So I will explain you while writing the code of it. Okay, we just simply have to write one line to convert a character into digit, and it is not a challenging task. Okay, so now let's write the solution code for this problem. I hope you got the concept. This problem is very easy. Even the beginner can also solve it, but the most challenging task is to convert the character into digit and without using any function. Okay, so now let's solve the problem, right? Yeah. So what we will do, first of all, we will declare or we will initialize our variable sum1, or for your understanding, I will write sum left, okay, is equal to 0, and sum right is equal to 0. Okay. Now what we will do, we will traverse our string from, okay, and one more thing, see, we are traversing our first loop from 0 to 2. Okay, and what is this 2? It is nothing but whatever is the index of middle element, we have to just subtract 1 from it. Okay, just like here the index of middle element was 3. So if I subtract 1 from it, I get 2, right? 3 minus 1 is 2. And so the ending of the first loop will be till the index which is 1 less than the index of middle element, and the starting of the second loop will be from one index more than the index of middle element, that is 4. Index of middle element was 3, and the starting index of the second loop is 4. That is one more than the index of the middle element. Okay, I hope you got this. You will got it while writing the code of it. Okay. Yeah. See, so first loop will start from obviously 0, that is the first index, and we will traverse our first loop till whatever is the size of the string divided by 2. So we got the index of middle element minus 1. I hope you got this. Okay, that is, this loop will be traversed from 0 to index number 2 for the example number 1. Okay, so now what we will do, yes, so first of all I will take one variable, let's suppose x. Now what I'm going to do, I will convert the character into digit, that is into integer, right? How to do it? Just simply you have to take, see, this is the character n of 5, that is the character at 0th position. Okay, now if I subtract this character 0 from it, so it will be converted into integer. Okay, now suppose if I have 1 at 0th index, 1 is a character. If I subtract the character 0 from it, then it will be converted into int. Okay, so I will write we have, sorry, we have convert char into int. Okay, I hope you got this. Now after doing this, what we will do, in our sum left, we will add this x, right? Similarly, we will traverse our second loop. So this second loop will be start from, as I have already mentioned, size divided by 2 plus 1, and it will run till size last index will be minus 1. Okay, you can also write this I less than equal to n dot size minus 1, like n less than n dot size. Okay, so but for understanding I will writing like this. Okay, now what I will do, similar like int x is equal to n of I minus 0. We have converted character into int. And now what I will do, in our sum right, I will add this x. I hope you got this right. And now I will check if sum left is equal to sum right, then I will simply return true, otherwise false. So let's check the test cases. Now let's submit it. Some segmentation fault is there. Now let's check for the input 1. Okay, yeah, so we will handle this like uh, pen dot size is equal to 1, then yeah, we will return true. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so all the test case has been passed. When we have a single element, so it's obvious that when we have single element, then there is no element to the left of it and there is no element to the right of it, so the sum of left and sum of right will be 0. Okay, so yeah, so we have solved the problem, and this was a very simple problem. The beginners can also solve it, but what I want to show you was that this, how to convert char into int. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you have any problem you can comment out in the comment section, and thank you.